Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank SteaknGo for sending us 6 of their products. If you notice guys, these are steaks that are very affordable. So SteaknGo has 2 variations for their products. Meron po silang cook to go and frozen to go. Now for the specific steak that they sent, meron silang T-bone junior, meron silang porter junior, meron silang T-bone premium, meron ding porter premium. Another is the rib eye premium, and then lastly yung sirloin premium. So those meat variations are available. Now we're gonna go downstairs and cook these. Syempre titikman din natin sila, but before that, watch this video. Alright, what can you say about that awesome video? To know more about SteaknGo, we're gonna be flashing the fan page as well as the menu. For our taste test, I'm gonna be trying this rib eye. So these are already marinated. Kung gusto mo naman ng unmarinated, they are also available. So I'm gonna try this rib eye right here. Ooh. Oh man. Wow. So, another bite for the rib eye. Sarap din ng gravy nila, no? Actually, available din yung gravy for orders. Just mention po sa kanila na you want to add in yung gravy nila. Okay, so this is the second try for the rib eye. Kulang na lang talaga dito is your bottle of wine, some candlelight, and of course your special someone, and you're gonna enjoy these great and amazing steaks at the comfort of your home. Right, so there you have it guys. I'm gonna share this with my family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and kung nagki-crave ka na talaga ng steak and you can't go out of your houses, they are available via delivery. If you want to visit their store, located po sila sa Main Motors, Angeles City, and they are actually looking for distributors, resellers. Do business with them. Make sure to contact them on the numbers that we're going to be providing down below. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye.